If you're seeing the error, "This phone number cannot be used for verification" on Gmail or Play Store, this quick guide will help you fix it step by step. First, open the Gmail or Google Play Store app and try entering your phone number again. Make sure you're using the correct country code and a valid mobile number, not a VoIP or virtual number. Next, avoid using the same number multiple times. Google often blocks numbers that have been used too frequently for verification. Now, try switching your network. Use mobile data instead of Wi Fi, or change your IP address by restarting your internet connection. This can help fix temporary verification issues. Also, make sure your account details are correct and not flagged. If needed, wait for 24 to 48 hours before trying again, as this problem is often temporary. Finally, you can try using a different phone number from a trusted device. So, yeah, these are the best ways to fix the "phone number cannot be used for verification" error on Gmail and Play Store.